So I'm starting my day the correct way. I am having some apple cider vinegar, some lemon, half a lemon, and some Himalayan pink salt. And this is how I start today. It really feels good. This is my breakfast this morning. I have a hamburger patty, 73.27, a piece of Swiss cheese, two or three slices of bacon, and some sour cream. Stopped by the store to pick up a few more grocery items today for my carnivore diet. I saw some chicken, so I went ahead and got some chicken. I wasn't going to eat chicken while I was doing carnivore because seeing where a lot of people said that they don't eat chicken, and I saw where some said that they do. So I went ahead and picked up some chicken thighs, cage-free thighs, 19 grams of protein, 100% all natural, no added hormones or steroids. And this pack cost me $5.88. I thought that was a good buy. I also picked up some cottage cheese. These are the foods I'm going to be eating this week as far as doing carnivore. You can see I have a variety of here. I have some meats. Here I have some the sugar-free Jello, and all I use, it says that we can use gelatin, but I use the sugar-free Jello. I like to add that in sometimes at the end of my meal. I don't know if it's really, carnivore, but then I have several cheeses here. I have the Kobe Jack. I'm making my husband a quiche, and I'm going to be a little bit lazy on the cheese, but I really like to use the block cheese. It has the least amount of carbs in it, and you can usually um, have better control over the ingredients that are in the cheese if you get the block cheese. So I got some cream cheese also. I'm going to be using that with my chicken. I have a block of low moisture part skim mozzarella cheese that I'll also be shredding and using in some of my dishes. I like to use heavy whipping cream. Here I have some nuts. Again, I know that nuts are not carnivore, but if I get hungry in between, I want to have a good healthy fat, so I did buy those. I got another package of bacon, and I just have the regular bacon. I'm going to bake this in the oven so that I can have bacon readily available. Also, I love to eat bacon. Here's another package of cheese that I pick up. And this is the Italian style, and it's got several different blends in it, which makes it a good cheese to use in dishes. Here is my cottage cheese. I'll be using that for a lot of different recipes also, especially the cottage cheese ice cream. I really do like that. And you can see cottage cheese, it to me, cottage cheese is a little carby. Here I picked up some polka kibasa. My husband, like I said, he wants quiche, so I'm going to use this in his quiche. I try my best to stay away from the processed meats. As you can see, it has a lot of junk to me in it. I got some eggs, and I got the regular eggs, 18 count, because eggs are so high right now. And I had to get me some dishwashing um, items also, so I can keep my dishes and stuff clean. Still packing, getting everything together, getting more anxious as the time gets closer. But this is what I picked up from my meat haul, and it was very, very reasonable. Um, I'm going to keep track to see how much I spend this month doing the carnivore diet. So as you all know, I am doing the carnivore diet, and I just finished making some ribs in my Instant Pot for dinner today. So it is, I think it's about 9, a little after 9. And I'm just now getting ready to have this. I'm going to go ahead and eat this little piece of meat before I go to bed because I haven't had much at all today. But I love the carnivore diet. It's so easy to do. And I'm just cooking a little late tonight. Anyhow, hope you had a good day today. Hey, Mr. Crow. How are you today? This is Lake Washington. So beautiful.